Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll try to learn some condition of things. So let's start. Mari, tell me, how is the knife?
This knife is broken.
Good. This knife is broken. That means a churiti bhanga. Okay, this is a condition of this knife. Next one. How is this is a light cover? Okay, this is a light cover. How is the light cover? It just this cracked. So how is the light cover?
This light cover is cracked.
This light cover is cracked. That means a light cover ti hocche fata. Fata ke amra english boli cracked. Okay, now the third condition of this thing. How is the shoe? How is the shoe, Myrin?
This shoe is torn.
This shoe is torn. That means a jutati chera. Chera ke amra english boli torn. So amra ekhane tinta condition likhechi: broken, bhanga, cracked, fata, and torn. That means chera. Okay, so try to learn something practically if you really want to elevate your speaking fluency. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.